Akin it's not about the 2028 because the impeachment complaint is about her role as Vice President. So, ibig sabihin hindi naman pwede na makalimutan yung accountability niya just because she proclaimed to run for the presidency, no? So, ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, yung kanyang present position. Di ba? I mean, ang ating iniimbestigahan hindi yung pagtakbo niya bilang presidente. Hindi niya pwedeng sabihin na, well, I'm be running for president and because of this, magiging okay na yan. No? So this is not about 2028 actually. This is about 2026, about whether the vice president remains fit to hold the second highest office of the land.
So,
Candidacy announcement do not erase accountability.
so parang sinasabi